This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Strickland. If you are looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage, sunroom, den, and workshop in Oak Run Country Club Neighborhood 6, this home is for you. Interior: new paint, new roof August 2023, new furnace/air conditioner April 2023, and new laminate flooring in guest bedroom. The kitchen has an area for bar stools and a built-in desk. Master bedroom is large with walk-in closet. Master bath has walk-in shower. Makeup mirror area is outside of closet. The den/office is off the master. Could be used for many options. Large workshop area behind garage. Laundry is also in the garage. Community service fee of $139.00 per month includes garbage/yard debris pickup, basic cable with community channel 12, use of amenities, golf is extra. State-of-the-art virtual guard system at its gates. 6 swimming pools, 2 workout rooms, 5 whirlpools, card room, BR room, ceramics/craft room, restaurant on site, driving range, 18-hole golf course, shuffleboard, pickleball, horseshoes, bocce ball, tennis, dog park, and many clubs. To join for more information, review the details below or contact Connie Strickland at 423-276-0447.